How to use vanilla gift card Visa on Roblox. The first things first is, of course, pull up or access any web browser that you want to use. In this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to roblox.com, and then once you're on the home page, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now for you to be able to use vanilla Visa gift card, just simply click on this coin icon right here and then head over to buy Robux. Now, before you use your vanilla Visa gift card, make sure that you have sufficient amount and make sure that you have a specific amount from your vanilla Visa gift card. And here, just choose the specific amount that you have from the gift card. Say, for example, this one right here. Simply click on that. Then you will be redirected to the payment with Roblox. Now you'll have to choose on credit card. Click credit card. And on the next page, this is where you will have to input or enter the details that is coming from your vanilla gift card informations. And by there, you should be able to use your vanilla Visa gift card on Roblox without any problems.